Welcome to Storyboards. In this video, I will show you how to filter visualization by using filtering actions. This method of filtering is interactive and saves real estate because you don't need a place for the Filters widget. Let's open a sample storyboard in edit mode. Here we have 3 widgets. Let's say we want to filter table data and donut charts for each state manager on the map. Our source widget, where we want to initiate filtering, will be a map. For the map widget, point to the pencil icon and click Manage Actions. In the Actions pane, add a new action. Action is a visual effect that you get in target widgets. As a first step, let's add a highlighting action to help us focus on the data we will be filtering. To initiate the action, let's use left-click. Specify our map as a target. Notice it is marked by Current in parentheses. Add a name and save the action. Now, let's add another action for filtering. Triggered by using the same event. Left-click. For the target widgets, the ones we want to filter, let's select Donut and Table widgets. When pointing to the target names, notice how the respective widgets are framed with a red border on the storyboard. Enter the action name and click Apply. Close the Widget Settings pane and check how filtering works. By clicking a state, the state is highlighted, which helps us focus on the data under analysis, and the respective targets are filled. To reset filtering, click the filtered state again. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.